Maintaining clean ceiling fans can help you save money on electricity and repair costs. Regular cleaning of the fan blades ensures that you are running an efficient system, as dirt buildup can lead to an inefficient motor and higher energy usage. Additionally, dust can build up in the blades and can cause them to become unbalanced over time, leading to additional wear and tear on the motor and other parts, which can become expensive to repair or replace. Cleaning your fan blades regularly helps ensure that your system remains in good working order and doesn't cost more in the long run. In conclusion, maintaining clean ceiling fans helps keep your system running efficiently and can save you money in the long run. Cleaning your fan blades regularly reduces energy costs and prevents costly repairs from occurring due to motor wear and tear. Keeping a clean fan also ensures that it will last longer and perform better than an unclean fan. So taking the time to do a little bit of maintenance can make a big difference on your wallet. If you enjoyed this content, please leave a comment below. Make sure to give it a like too, to make sure you don't miss out on any content from Beyond Thresholds. Subscribe or follow us now.